In this video, I will show you how to find your Telegram wallet address. To do this, just go and open up Telegram, and at the top just search for wallet and open up your wallet. Now once you are in your wallet, from here just go and click on the cryptocurrency you want to find your wallet address for. So I have USDT right here that says dollars. You can also click more assets, and then for example I have Toncoin, Hamster Combat, Bitcoin and a few more. For example, I'll go and click on Toncoin, and then from here to find your wallet address you just want to go and click receive. Now my region is unsupported, therefore it doesn't show it for me, but for you right here you can then choose a network and then it will show your wallet address that you can then copy and just paste in from the wallet that you are sending from, and then you will receive the money in your Telegram wallet. So that's how to find your Telegram wallet address. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.